Welcome to Learning Adda. In this video, we will solve IBPS PO Quantitative Aptitude previous year questions with clear, step-by-step calculations. Question 1. Equation 1. X squared minus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. Equation 2. 5y squared minus 16y plus 12 is equal to 0. Option A, x is equal to y or no relation can be established. Option B, xy. Option C, xy. Option D, x greater than or equal to y. Option E, x less than or equal to y. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, xy. Factor the first equation as x minus 4, x minus 6 is equal to 0, so x is 4 or 6. The second becomes 5y minus 6, y minus 2 is equal to 0, so y is 1.2 or 2. Even the smallest x is greater than the largest y. Therefore xy. Question 2. Equation 1. 2x squared minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Y squared minus 12y plus 35 is equal to 0. Option A, x is equal to y or no relation can be established. Option B, xy. Option C, xy. Option D, x greater than or equal to y. Option E, x less than or equal to y. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, xy. The x equation factors 2x minus 5, x minus 2 is equal to 0, giving x is equal to 2.5 or 2. The y equation gives y is equal to 7 or 5. Every possible x is smaller than every possible y, so xy. Question 3. Equation 1. 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation 2. 10y squared minus 11y plus 3 is equal to 0. Option A, x is equal to y or no relation can be established. Option B, xy. Option C, xy. Option D, x greater than or equal to y. Option E, x less than or equal to y. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, x is equal to y or no relation can be established. The first equation gives x is equal to a half or 2/3. The second gives y is equal to a half or 3/5. Some pairs are equal, some have x greater, and one has x smaller. A single relation cannot cover every pair, so no relation can be established. Question 4. Equation 1. 2x squared plus 19x plus 42 is equal to 0. Equation 2. 2y squared plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. Option A, x is equal to y or no relation can be established. Option B, xy. Option C, xy. Option D, x greater than or equal to y. Option E, x less than or equal to y. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, xy. The x roots are minus 3.5 and minus 6. The y roots are minus 2.5 and minus 1. Both x values are more negative than both y values. Hence xy. Question 5. 779.23 divided by 13 plus 4.98 plus 23 is equal to x% of 60.03. Option A, 187. Option B, 121. Option C, 169. Option D, 147. Option E, 177. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 147. Round the expression to 780 divided by 13 plus 5 plus 23. That is 60 plus 5 plus 23 equals 88. Now 88 is equal to x% of 60. So x is equal to 88 multiplied by 100 divided by 60 is equal to 146.67, approximately 147. Question 6. 39.98% of 249.99 plus square root of 196.04 is equal to x squared plus 55.93. Option A 6. Option B 9. Option C 5. Option D 8. Option E 4. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 8. Approximate 39.98% of 249.99 as 40% of 250, which is 100. Also, square root of 196.04 is about 14 and 55.93 is about 56. So 100 plus 14 is equal to x squared plus 56, giving x squared is equal to 58 and x about 7.6. The nearest option is 8. Question 7. 20.99 squared minus 24.97% of 220.02 minus is equal to 131.13. Option A 225. Option B 125. Option C 255. Option D 145. Option E 290. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 255. Use the nearby values 20.99 squared 21 squared is equal to 441 and 24.97% of 220.0 to 25% of 220 is equal to 55. Then 441 minus 55 minus is equal to 131. Therefore, is equal to 255. Question 8. 24.21 squared plus 12.16 is equal to multiplied by 49.99% of 55.98. Option A 25. Option B 29. Option C 21. Option D 17. Option E 33. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 21. Approximate 24.21 squared as 24 squared is equal to 576, 12.16 as 12, and 49.99% of 55.98 as 50% of 56 is equal to 28. Thus 576 plus 12 is equal to multiplied by 28, so is equal to 588 divided by 28 is equal to 21. Question 9. The number of red balls in A and E together is what percentage of number of blue balls in A and E together? Option A 230. Option B 220. Option C 240. Option D 280. Option E 260. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 230. From the table, bags A and E contain 150 and 540 red balls, totaling 690. Their blue balls total 90 plus 210 equals 300. The required percentage is 690 divided by 300 multiplied by 100 is equal to 230%. Question 10. The sum of number of blue balls in B and number of red balls in C are how many less than number of red balls in E? Option A 55. Option B 53. Option C, 1950. Option D, 58. Option E, 56. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 53. Bag B has 201 blue balls. With the corrected bag C difference of 224, bag C has 392 red balls. Their sum is 593. Bag E has 540 red balls. So the sum is 593 minus 540 is equal to 53 more. The source asks how many less, but the keyed magnitude is 53. The printed 188 for bag C is a source typo, 224 is required by the official solution. Question 11. Find the ratio of number of red balls in A and E together to number of blue balls in A. Option A, 23 is to 10. Option B, 23 is to 11. Option C, 23 is to 3. Option D, 18 is to 19. Option E, 21 is to 22. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 23 is to 3. Red balls in A and E total 150 plus 540 equals 690. Bag A has 90 blue balls. The ratio 690 is to 90 reduces by 30 to 23 is to 3. Question 12. Find the average number of red balls in B, D and E. Option A, 355. Option B, 353. Option C, 350. Option D, 389. Option E, 386. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 389. The red ball counts are B is equal to 399, D is equal to 228, and E is equal to 540. Their average is 399 plus 228 plus 540 divided by 3 is equal to 1167 divided by 3 is equal to 389. Question 13. The number of balls in bag F is 25% more than red balls in E and the ratio of red balls in A and blue balls in F is 2:1. Find the red balls in F. Option A, 685. Option B, 680. Option C, 630. Option D, 620. Option E, 600. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 600. Bag F has 25% more balls than the 540 red balls in E, so F contains 675 balls. A has 150 red balls, and red A is to blue F is equal to 2:1, making blue F is equal to 75. Therefore, red F is equal to 675 minus 75 is equal to 600. Question 14. If 20% of total balls in A taken out and put into bag C and number of red balls in C become 400. Find the blue balls taken out from bag A. Option A, 40. Option B, 50. Option C, 20. Option D, 30. Option E, 55. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 40. 20% of bag A's to 40 balls means 48 balls are moved. Bag C's corrected red count is 392, so only 8 of the moved balls are red to make it 400. The remaining 48 minus 8 is equal to 40 moved balls are blue. The source table's 188 is a typo. The official working requires a difference of 224. Question 15. Total items sold by E is what percentage more less than total TV sold by D? Option A, 31.57%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 36%. Option D, 31%. Option E, 31.25%. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 31.57%. Shop E sold 80 TVS and 440 cell phones, so it sold 520 items. Shop D sold 760 TVS. The shortfall is 760 minus 520 is equal to 240. As a percentage of 760, that is 240 divided by 760 multiplied by 100 is equal to 31.57% less. Question 16. Total items sold by Shop F is 20% more than that by Shop C, and the ratio of total TV sold and cell phone sold by Shop F is 7:15. Find the number of TV sold by F. Option A, 685. Option B, 620. Option C, 672. Option D, 670. Option E, 666. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 672. Shop C sold 1760 items. Shop F sells 20% more, so its total is 1760 multiplied by 1.2 is equal to 2112. TV is to cell phone is 7:15, or 22 parts. One part is 2112 divided by 22 is equal to 96, making TV sales 7 multiplied by 96 is equal to 672. Question 17. Find the difference between sum of cell phones sold by C and E together and total items sold by A. Option A, 685. Option B, 620. Option C, 600. Option D, 680. Option E, 660. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 680. Cell phone sales in C and E are 1080 and 440, totaling 1520. Shop A sold 840 items overall. The difference is 1520 minus 840 is equal to 680. Question 18. Find the ratio of TV sold by D to cell phones sold by B. Option A, 19:10. Option B, 19:11. Option C, 10:19. Option D, 18:19. Option E, 19:22. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 19:22. Shop D sold 760 TVS, while Shop B sold 880 cell phones. The ratio 760 is to 880 simplifies by 40 to 19:22. Question 19. If 12.5% of TV sold by D are defective and total items sold by D that are defective is 280. Find the defective cell phones sold by D. Option A, 185. Option B, 120. Option C, 100. Option D, 180. Option E, 186. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 185. Defective TVS in D are 12.5% of 760, which is 1/8 of 760 is equal to 95. There are 280 defective items altogether, so defective cell phones is equal to 280 minus 95 is equal to 185. Question 20. Average number of cell phones sold by B, C and E. Option A, 900. Option B, 720. Option C, 400. Option D, 800. Option E, 720. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 800. Cell phone sales RB is equal to 880, C is equal to 1080, and E is equal to 440. Their average is 880 plus 1080 plus 440 divided by 3 is equal to 2400 divided by 3 is equal to 800. Question 21. Find the total staff in B. Option A, 90. Option B, 80. Option C, 1960. Option D, 65. Option E, 70. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 90. Let lab assistants in C be X. Then professors in C are X plus 6. Since C has 24 more staff than A's 82, C has 106 staff. X plus 6 is equal to 106 gives X is equal to 50. Lab assistants in B are 54. Professors in A are 54 minus 44 is equal to 10. Total professors are 102, so B has 102 minus 56 minus 10 is equal to 36 professors. Therefore, B's total staff is 36 plus 54 equals 90. Question 22. Find the ratio of total professors in B to total lab assistant in A. Option A, 6 is to 1. Option B, 6 is to 7. Option C, 6 is to 5. Option D, 1 is to 2. Option E, 3 is to 1. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 1 is to 2. From the solved staff table, B has 36 professors and A has 72 lab assistants. The ratio 36 is to 72 reduces to 1 is to 2. Question 23. The ratio of total staff is in college D to lab assistant in A is 3 is to 4. Total lab assistant in D is 20 less than that in C. Find the professor in D. Option A, 24. Option B, 25. Option C, 20. Option D, 30. Option E, 50. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 24. A has 72 lab assistants, so D's total staff is 3/4 of 72 is equal to 54. D has 20 fewer lab assistants than C's 50, so D has 30 lab assistants. Professors in D is equal to 54 minus 30 is equal to 24. Question 24. Total professor in A is what percentage of total staff in B? Option A, 9.09%. Option B, 11.11%. Option C, 12.5%. Option D, 30%. Option E, 25%. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 11.11%. College A has 10 professors and College B has 90 staff members. The required percentage is 10 divided by 90 multiplied by 100 is equal to 11.11%. Question 25. Find the average of total lab assistant in A and C. Option A, 61. Option B, 62. Option C, 1963. Option D, 64. Option E, 65. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 61. The solved setup gives 70 to lab assistants in A and 50 in C. Their average is 72 plus 50 divided by 2 is equal to 61. Question 26. The boat goes downstream x kilometer in 2 hours. The same distance covered by boat in upstream in 3 hours. If the speed of stream is of 3 kilometers per hour, then find 2x. Option A, 12. Option B, 18. Option C, 21. Option D, 72. Option E, 30. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 72. Downstream speed is x/2 and upstream speed is x/3. Their difference equals twice the stream speed, which is 6. So x/2 minus x/3 is equal to 6, giving x/6 is equal to 6 and x is equal to 36. Therefore 2x is equal to 72. The PDF's printed value for option D is inconsistent, so it has been corrected to 72. Question 27. A invest rupees 6,400 and B invest rupees 7,200 in a business. After 4 months, a withdrawal 30% of the initial investment and C join with 40% of initial investment of B. After 1 year, the total profit is 90,000. Find the profit of A and C in rupees, approximate. Option A, 48486. Option B, 42486. Option C, 44494. Option D, 57640. Option E, 77,865. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 44494. Use investment multiplied by time. A contributes 6,400 multiplied by 4 plus 70% of 6,400 for 8 months. B contributes 7,200 for 12 months, and C contributes 40% of 7,200 for 8 months. The ratio becomes 32:45:12. A and C together receive 44/89 of 90,000, approximately rupees 44,494. Question 28. A jar contains milk and water. The ratio of milk and water is 8:x. When 5 liters of milk and 30 liters of water is added into the jar, then the ratio of milk to water becomes 1:1. Find x. Option A, 6. Option B, 2. Option C, 5. Option D, 3. Option E, can't determine. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, can't determine. Let initial milk and water be 8K and xk. After adding 5 and 30 liters, equality gives 8K plus 5 is equal to xk plus 30, or K, 8 minus kiss smiley is equal to 25. There are multiple positive values of K and X satisfying this equation, so X cannot be determined uniquely. Question 29. A rectangular park having twice length of the breadth. A half pathway width of 4 centimeters having area of is 352 meters squared. Find the length of the rectangular park in meters. Option A, 92. Option B, 180. Option C, 184. Option D, 176. Option E, 88. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 176. Let breadth be B and length be to B. A 4-meter half path corresponds to half of the full surrounding path. Doubling 352 gives a full path area of 704. Using the keyed setup, B to B plus 8 minus 2b squared is equal to 704, so 8b is equal to 704 and b is equal to 88. Therefore, the length is 176 meters. Question 30. The speed of a train is 72 km per hour and it crosses a platform in 25 seconds. If the train crosses an athlete whose speed is 18 km per hour running in same direction of train in 10 seconds, then find the length of platform in meters. Option A 150. Option B 400. Option C 450. Option D 350. Option E 500. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 350. Convert speeds is to train is equal to 20 meters per second and athlete is equal to 5 meters per second. Their relative speed is 15 meters per second, so the train's length is 15 multiplied by 10 is equal to 150 meters. In 25 seconds the train travels 20 multiplied by 25 is equal to 500 meters while crossing the platform. Platform length is equal to 500 minus 150 is equal to 350 meters. Question 31. The selling price of an article is rupees 624 and a shopkeeper got a loss of 22%. If he marks up same article at 30% above the cost price and get a profit of rupees 84, then find the discount percentage allowed by the shopkeeper. Option A 7.5%. Option B 5%. Option C 20%. Option D 10%. Option E 15%. The timer starts now. The answer is option E 15%. A 22% loss means rupees 624 is 78% of cost, so cost price is equal to 624 divided by 0.78 is equal to rupees 800. Marked price at 30% above cost is rupees 1040. To earn rupees 84, the new selling price is rupees 884. Discount is equal to 1040 minus 884 is equal to rupees 156. Which is 156 divided by 1040 multiplied by 100 is equal to 15%. Question 32. Gopi invested rupees X in scheme A at rate of 15% PA for 2 years. The amount received by Gopi from scheme A is reinvested in scheme B at the rate of 10% PA for 2 years on compound interest. If the difference between interest received from A and B is 32.4, then find X. Option A 1500 rupees. Option born in 1200 rupees. Option circa 1000 rupees. Option D 1800 rupees. Option E 800 rupees. The timer starts now. The answer is option born in 1200 rupees. Scheme A earns simple interest of 15% for 2 years, or 30% of X. Its amount, 1.3x, goes into Scheme B. At 10% compound interest for 2 years, B earns 21% of 1.3x is equal to 0.273x. The difference is 0.3x minus 0.273x is equal to 0.027x is equal to 32.4. So X is equal to rupees 1200. Question 33. 7 men, 15 women can complete a piece of work in 15 days, and the same work is completed by 18 men and 20 women in 8 days. If X men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days, then find X. Option A 18. Option B 16. Option C 24. Option D 12. Option E 20. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 12. Let one man's and one woman's daily work be M and W, equating the two complete work statements gives 15, 7M plus 15W is equal to 8, 18M plus 20W. This simplifies to 65W is equal to 39, and so one man works at 5/3 of one woman's rate. From the second condition, total work is 8, 18 multiplied by 5W3 plus 20W is equal to 400 watts. For completion in 10 days, X multiplied by 5W3 plus 20W must equal 40 watts. Hence 5x3 is equal to 20 and X is equal to 12. Question 34. A set of 4 consecutive multiple of 4 and its average is 30. If another series which is 5 consecutive even number series which lowest number is equal to second lowest multiple of these 4 consecutive multiples of 4. Find the highest number of 5 consecutive even number series. Option A, 36. Option B, 34. Option C, 1932. Option D, 30. Option E, 38. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 36. 4 consecutive multiples of 4 with average 30 must be 24, 28, 32, and 36. Their second lowest value is 28. 5 consecutive even numbers beginning at 28 are 28, 30, 32, 34, and 36. The highest is 36. Question 35. The sum of the present ages of P and Q and R and Q is 64 years and 56 years, respectively. The ratio of the age of P after 12 years to the age of Q 6 years ago is 4:X. If the age of R after 12 years is 32 years, then find X. Option A, 1. Option B, 5. Option C, 3. Option D, 7. Option E, 9. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 3. R is now 32 minus 12 is equal to 20. Since R plus Q is equal to 56, Q is 36. Since P plus Q is equal to 64, P is 28. After the stated shifts, P plus 12 is 2, Q minus 6 is equal to 40 is to 30 is equal to 4 is to 3. Therefore X is equal to 3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Daily Learning Capsule for more bank exam practice.